Hello everyone, I hope you are well and welcome to session. This is our ST programming part 3. Actually, two part we have completed, means I have completed. Uh, in the next part, in part number 2, I had completed simple if condition. Okay, if condition, then if else condition I have already completed. If you not watch this part 2, so you can go and you can watch the part 2, and also part 1 also interested. If you are a beginner, means starting you are learning the ST programming, so I'm requesting to you watch part 1. Okay, so part 1 is the basic things, and this is the purely means practically experience programmings, and how we can I am teaching you how we can make the ST programming from the ladder, because you have already knowledge about the ladder, how to means how you can make the ladder programmings. Okay, which type of condition you can add in the ladder programmings. Okay, and condition or not condition. Okay, so based on that I am teaching you the ST programming. Okay, so these two things I already completed, and today I will be covering the if else if statement, means multiple condition. If you have multiple condition and you want to perform this operation, okay, so you can use this three number if else if condition, multiple condition. Okay, second one is the nested if. Okay, so is if there any one interlocking, means one or more interlocking, and that after then you want to perform the next operation. Okay, so that type of condition also you can add in the if condition. Okay, means ST programming. Okay, so these two things I will be cover in this part. Okay, and if you like this session, so request to you, please like the video, and uh, add one comment. So if you like or not like, so add your comment. Okay, so now, so we are starting from the here if else if condition. Okay, multiple condition. If we have more time, so I will also cover the counter operation, but two things is also enough. Okay, if else if condition and nested up. Okay, so here the if condition, this is condition 1, then generate the output 1, and condition 2 generate the output 2. Otherwise both output otherwise output number 3, or all the output is 0. Okay, but I am not explaining this type of the example. I am explaining another type examples. Okay, so I already prepared the examples, okay, in the ladder, because it will take more time in designing. Okay, so you can see here, this is our first condition. Okay, network 1, if input 1 is okay, means on, and input 2 should not be on, that time output 1, op1, means q 0.0 will turn on. Okay, then second condition is what this second condition is input 2 is on, and input 3 should not be on, and then output q0.1 will be on. Okay, so this is our second condition, and this is one third condition. Okay, so this is the third condition. Okay, input 4 means I0.3 should be on condition, and I0.0 should be in off condition. That time output 3 means Q0.2 will turn on. Okay, so let's start the program, how we can write the ST in multiple condition. Okay, so all the three networks I will be not I will be add in only one network. Okay, in ST. Okay, so just I am add here insert SEL. Okay, I'm deleting the network 3. Okay, okay, so what is the first condition? So first condition is input 0.0 and input 0.1, means input 1 should be on and it should not be on, means this is the not gate, and the condition in between is the AND condition. Okay, so here I am adding if input 1 input 1 and sorry, input 1 and what next, This input 2 should not be on, should not be on, means not input 2, input 2, then what? Then output OP1 should be on condition. Okay, so this is our first condition. Okay, so this is our first condition. What is next? Next is Q0.1. Okay, so this output. Okay, Q0.1. For Q0.1, there are also two conditions, input 2 and input 3. But input should be on condition and input 3 should not be on condition. Okay, so here same condition I will be add with else if. Okay, else if, in else if means input 2, input 2 and not not input 3, input 3, then what? Then Q0.1 should be in an on condition. Means OP2, OP2. Okay, then next what? The next is output 3. Okay, then next is output 3. So else if, okay, so input 4, okay, and not, okay, not which input, 0, input 1. Okay, then what? Then OP3 should be in on condition. Okay, true also you can use. Okay, but what, all are the input op, then what? Then else, okay, then else OP1 0, OP2 0, then OP3 0, and then and if. Okay, so this is our program. Let's check with the compiler. I will not go for the simulation because sometime what will be happen, the simulation is stuck and then there are consuming more time, so that. Okay, so this is the condition. So this is the multiple condition. So multiple condition you can use that way. Okay, this is just our on condition. Okay, so what will be happen in the later programming, if you are turn on this one, input of 4 will turn on, means this one on, and that time it will be turn off, so that time output 3 will be on. But and the next input will be off, this input will be off, this output will be automatically off. But in the st programming it will not directly turn off. Okay, so if then condition is true, the op will be on, but for off we need to add one more condition. This is the off condition. Okay, so it will be not automatically off. Okay, so this is the first time condition, you turn on the output, so it will be turn on. Then for turn on you want to write another sentence for the turn off condition. Okay, so turn on condition is other and turn off condition is other. Okay, so you have to take care for this. Okay, this is the important. Okay, so this is the if multiple condition. Okay, so this way you can use this. Okay, so in the next if else if condition is over. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, and next is our nested if. Okay, so I am requesting to you, if you are enjoying the session and it is knowledgeable for you, so please do not forget to like and give any comments or okay, so it will be motivate to me, so for more video. Okay, so now nested if. Okay, so nested if is a hierarchical logic. So for example, if there are something input like main power is okay, then safety door okay, then we need to do the further procedure. Okay, so in that case we can use this nested type if condition. Okay, so particular inputs, then particular input is okay, then we will go to the further procedure. Okay, so how we can use in the st programming. Okay, so I already make one programs. Okay, so here this emergency is okay, then air pressure is okay, then breaker is okay, then we can consider the process okay, and then process okay, then we can go for the process, means I can press the start button and then motor turn on. Okay, so there are the several conditions. Okay, there are several condition. In this condition there is one more condition is I want to press the start button. Okay, so first this condition, then again this start condition. Okay, so you already understand this program. Okay, but how we can write these things in the st programming? So just I am adding one the scl. Okay, I am inserting one scl. Okay, so first thing here, if what are the condition? So there are the three condition: emergency, air pressure okay, and breakers. Okay, so all the condition I am adding here. M200.0 means emergency okay. Okay, emergency okay, and what next? Air okay means air 200.1 is okay. Okay, and what next? And breaker should be also in okay condition. Okay, is breaker is healthy. Okay, then what? In this case we not need to add this process. Okay, okay, m 200.3. Okay, we can directly use this condition, and then we can perform this condition. Okay, actually these are not required, but in ladder logic is required. Okay, here what will be happen? If this condition is okay, then if start okay means m200.4 is equal to 1, then what? Then motor should be in on condition. Okay, 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 then if start. Okay, this condition should be okay, means emergency, air pressure, and breaker. Then what? Then if again one more condition, if start is equal to okay, then motor will be turn on. Okay, otherwise okay, then and if okay, sorry, okay, then and if else else motor should not be turn on. Okay, then and if. Okay, so in this case, okay, there is no error, miss. Okay, okay, I am not showing in simulation mode because it sometime it software is stucking, so and taking the more time, is consuming more time, so that. Okay, so here the condition. So condition what? So emergency, air okay, then breaker okay, then I press the start button, and then start is okay, then motor will turn on. Okay, end up. Otherwise what? Otherwise what? Otherwise motor zero condition. If emergency not okay, that time also motor should not be start. Okay, air not okay, then also not, in this condition also should not be start. Okay, same as breaker. Okay, and same as starter. Okay, all are okay, then motor should be in on condition. Okay, so this is the our condition. Okay, so if I put this and if else here, so it will be considered like this condition. This one is also okay, and you can also add this here. Okay, but it will condition only the start button. Okay, so this is the nested if. This is the nested if. Okay, so this is the condition of if else if condition. Okay, and the nested if condition. I hope you understand the both condition. Okay, and in the next video I will be cover more. For example, I will cover the counter operation, or this type of the case of or for do while do loop. This type of loop also I will be cover. Okay, and math operation, counter operation. Okay, but I will try to complete the first all the case. Okay, because many people's there are confusion in the case, means case and for do while do loop. Okay, many people are confusing in this case, so I might try to complete this first. Okay, so many instruction is pending. For example, counter is pending, and comparator operation also pending, and the math function also pending. So these are the function is very easy use in the ST programming. But the main thing is the loop, this loop, case loop and for loop and while loop. There are quite complicated, not more complicated, quite complicated, but I will explain on that way, so it will be easily understand for you. Okay, and I'm request to you, please do not forget to like this video. Because if you are not liking my video and only watching my video and close the window, so I'm demotivated, uh, demotivated due to this reason. Okay, so if you give the like and give the some comments if you like the session, so please comment also required. So and share your colleagues, so if nobody knows about the channel, so please share to him also, so it will be increase the more knowledge. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video. Take care and bye, and enjoy the session. Thank you.